Ang bango! Gusto mo ba yung ganitong sabon na yung feeling mo parang galing ka ng spa araw-araw after mong maligo or maghilamos? Yung sabon that can give you the glass skin glow, brightening, radiant skin that you truly deserve. So this is what you're looking for. It's a matcha niacinamide soap only from Glowing Radiance. This is the trending soap right now because this is the first ever matcha niacinamide soap na makikita nyo online. The matcha gives our skin the antioxidant it needs, plus the very famous niacinamide that's good for skin brightening, it tightens our pores, and helps reduce dark spots. It also has the alpha-arbutin, amino acid, vitamin C, and glycerin. So this is an all-in-one total package soap that can really give you glowing effect that we truly deserve. This is an FDA-approved product, so it's very safe and it's very gentle on the skin. 100 grams soap, and it comes with a free mesh net, so you can get the desired bubbles that you want whenever you're using the soap. At discounted price right now, just look for Glowing Radiance PH at any of your favorite online shops.